Hey guys, so I just got done filming another video, but I got to thinking about it, and at the very end, for some reason, it popped in my head that I had been asked to do an update after Abrielle had her hearing test. She had her hearing test on Tuesday of this week, and it is now Thursday. And the hearing test was essentially exactly what I thought it would be. It was like a waste of gas to go up there to UT because the test was over in like 15 minutes. They told us it could take up to an hour, but it was super simple. It was basically in and out. She passed with flying colors. There's nothing wrong with her hearing. Her ears look perfect. You know, she did just fine. So the hearing has been completely ruled out once again. And I guess now what happens, what they told me would happen was they would send the results back to her pediatrician's office. And I did ask her if while she was at that, if she could just also go ahead and fax them to her speech therapist, just so they could already have those. And maybe I thought if they don't have to go through the middleman of referring back to the pediatrician's office, who then forwards it to her speech therapy office, and that maybe that would speed it along with getting those results in, so maybe they can go ahead and hook her up with a neurologist next, because that is the big ticket for me. Like, I feel like if we're going to find anything, I think it's going to be with that. I think that's where we're going to possibly find something that's actually, I don't know how to say it other than to say something that might actually be wrong. I feel like we would find it out with the neurologist, seeing as, you know, she took the speech test and it's just as we thought. There's her hearing test. Oh my gosh. Speech therapy hearing test. But she took the hearing test and she passed. So that's the little bit of update on that. Like I said, really short video. She is still on the waiting list. She hasn't started therapy, and I'm going to give it till the end of this week, and then I'm going to call them and see where she is at on the list and how far she's moved up. So when I know more, I will make another video and update about this. Bye guys.